Good afternoon, children. So, in the previous class, what we learned exercise 1.4. First Roman are completed, second Roman are completed. Next, third Roman, see children, identify the true statements. Identify the true statements. What is the first one? 48 divided by 6 minus 4 equal to 24. Is this statement is true or false? You have to identify. So first, what you should do? Division. Here division and subtraction is there. So first you should do division. 48 divided by 6. How much? 8 minus 4 equal to 24. 8 minus 4 how much? 4. 4 is not equal to 24. So this statement is true or false, children? False. Okay, we should write here false. Second one, minus 18 plus 12 divided by 3 equal to minus 14. Okay, now here what are the operations are there? Minus, plus, divide. So which operation you should do first? Division. Okay, so minus 18 plus 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 how much is that? 4 equal to minus 14. So minus 18 plus 4 how much? Minus 14 equal to minus 14. Both are equal. So this statement is true. So this statement is true. Okay, ma'am? Come on, right? And third one, see children, what is the third statement? Minus 11 plus 3 into 7 equal to minus 56. So here what are the operations? So minus, plus, multiplication. Which one you should do first? Multiplication. So minus 11 plus 3, 7. How much? 21 equal to minus 56. So minus 11 plus 21. How much? You should subtract. How much? 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. Equal to minus 56. Both are equal, children? No. So it is false. False. Next, fourth one. 20 divided by 20 minus 100 equal to 1. So 20 divided by 20 minus 100 equal to 1 is given statement. First you should do the division. So 20 ones 20, zeros 20 ones 20 minus 100 equal to 1. 101 minus 100 how much is that? 1. So both are equal. So what is this statement? True. This is the true statement. Okay, children, did you understand now? Come on, do. Fourth one, see children, fill in the blank with plus, minus, into, divided by to make the statement as true. So here blank given now. First one, 9 dash 3 dash 6 equal to minus 3 is given. So what are the operations is suitable here? You should write here. Okay, children. So 9, 3, 6. What is the answer is minus 3. So which operations we have to use here? Can you tell me, children? See here, 9 divided by 3. Suppose we take like that. 9 divided by 3, how much? 3. Okay. Next, you should keep here minus 3 minus 6. How much? Minus 3 will get answer, no? So that's the, what are the operations? First blank is divided by, second operation minus. Okay, ma? Like that you have to guess it and do. Next, second one, minus 6 dash 12 dash 6 equal to minus 4. So what are the operations we use here? Here small number, this is bigger number. So you should take these two first. Okay. 12 divided by 6. What is the answer? 12 divided by 6? 2. Okay. Here minus 6 is there. So which operation you should take? Here we will get minus 4 plus minus 6 plus 2, how much? Minus 4. So you should write here plus. Minus 6 plus 12 divided by 6 is equal to minus 4. Next, third one, minus 15 dash 3 dash 6 equal to minus 30. What are the operations we use here? So here it is a 15, here 3. We should take here divide symbol. Minus 15 divided by 3. How much? Minus 5 will get. And next here 6 is there. So which operation we have to use here? We will get 30. 5, 6, 30 no. So multiplication. Okay. So 5, 6, 30. So what are the operations we use here? Divided by and multiplication. Did you understand now? Like that you have to guess it and do. Okay? Do. So we have completed exercise 1.4, children. Next, absolute value. What is the next topic is? Absolute value. What is absolute value, children? See the picture. Look at the picture here. At what level does the ship sail on the sea? Here see ship is there. Ship sails on the sea. At what level? We don't know what level. Okay. So how can we represent the height of the temple using integer? Height of the temple. How can we represent? Here any number is there? No, don't know. Okay. How can we represent the depth of the fish from the sea level using integer? Depth of the fish here. How can we say? We don't know. So though they represent with different integers, the distance from the sea level is same. By how to represent the sea level? Represent as a different integer. So the sea level is same level, it will be decreased. So it will be represented. In this case, we need absolute value. In this case, we need absolute value. What is called absolute value, children? Absolute value of any numerical value of an integer without considering its sign is the absolute value of that integer. Right, all of you? Absolute. Absolute value. Numerical value of an integer numerical value of an integer without considering its sign. Without considering its sign means whether it is negative or positive, we can't consider that sign. Okay. Is the absolute value of that integer. Absolute value of that integer. Okay, absolute value of that integer. And next, what is that? Absolute never be negative. Absolute never be negative. It is always positive only. It is always positive number only, not negative number. Example, see children. How can we represent absolute value? See here, absolute value of A is denoted by like this. Absolute value of A is denoted by like this. How to read this one? Modulus of A. How to read this one? Modulus of A. Okay. Read as modulus of A. Example, see children. Minus 50. Modulus of, how to read this one? Modulus of minus 50. What is the absolute of this one? 50 only. Here it is minus. Okay, absolute value means you should take only positive. Don't take negative. Okay, children? How to read this one? Modulus of minus 50. What is the absolute value? 50. Okay, children? Next. Another example. Modulus of 60. What is the value? Absolute value? 60 only. Okay. Third example. Modulus of minus 701. What is the absolute value? Here minus is there, but don't take minus. Only positive number 701. Like that. Did you understand now? Absolute values? And fourth example, see, modulus of 0. What is the modulus of 0 is? 0 only. Fifth example, if x is greater than 5, then modulus of x minus 5 value is, if x is greater than 5, x value is greater than 5. What is the modulus of x minus 5? X minus 5 only. Okay. Next, sixth example. If x is less than 5, then modulus of x minus 5 value is, here it is x is less than 5. That means x value is less than the 5 value. So how to write absolute value? 5 minus x. Why? Because x is less than 5. That's why we are taking 5 minus x. Okay, children? Did you understand? Come on, write. Okay. So we have completed exercise 1.4 and absolute value also. We have completed first chapter, children. Next, see the page number 19. Let's explore. If mod x is equal to 15, then what will be the value of x? So what will be the value of x, children? What is given here? Modulus of x equal to 15. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? Is it minus 15 or 15? Either negative number or positive number. Any one number is will get 15 only answer. Okay. So what are the values of x? X is equal to minus 15 or 15. Okay, children? Next, unit exercise. First question, see children. Calculate the following. Did you complete this one, children? You can calculate 8 into minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 8. Minus 2 into 175. Can you multiply this one, children? Can you do this one homework? Okay, you can do as homework. Here multiplications and divisions also given. You can do homework. Okay. Next, second one also you can do homework. See, replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. So you should write the blanks, fill in the blanks given. Minus 7 into dash equal to 21. Here answer is 21. Here minus 7 given. So which number you should multiple? We will get plus 21 as the answer. Minus 3. So two negative numbers will get the positive answer. So that's why minus 7 into minus 3 how much? Plus 21. Okay. Like that you can do homework, children. Next, third question, see children. Write all the possible pairs of integers that give a product of minus 50. So write all the possible pairs of integers. How can you do this one? Product of minus 50. So you will get minus 50 as the product. So how can you do? 10 into minus 5. Okay. 10 into minus 5 how much? Minus 50. Okay. Now 5 into minus 10. 5 into minus 10 how much? Minus 50. Another? Minus 2 into 25. How much? 50. Minus 50. Next, 25 minus 25 into 2. How much? Minus 50. Like that. How many possibilities are there? You should write like that. That is the homework, children. Okay. Next, fourth question. Shankar, a fruit vendor sells 100 kgs of oranges and 75 kgs of pomegranates. If he makes a profit of 11 rupees per 1 kg of pomegranate and loss of 8 rupees per 1 kg oranges, what will be his overall profit or loss? So a fruit vendor sells how many oranges? 100 kgs of oranges he sold and 75 kgs of pomegranate also he sold. So profit per 1 kg pomegranate how much? 11 rupees and loss per kg of oranges 8 rupees. What will be his overall profit or loss? You should find. Already we are done this type of problem in examples and exercise also. Okay, you can do like that. Okay, children? If you don't get, I will tell tomorrow. You can practice today. Okay. Next, Bhargavi lost 5,700 calories in the month of June using yoga. If the calorie loss is uniform, calculate the loss of calories per day. So Bhargavi lost calories in the month of June using yoga. Okay. She lost how many calories? 5,700 in the month of June. So in the June, how many days are there, children? 30 days. Okay. So if the calorie loss is uniform, calculate the loss of calories per day. Per day, how much of calories she lost, you should find. That means what you should do? Divide. Okay, for June month, how many days? 30 days are there. So that's why 5,700 divided by 30 you can do. Will get the answer per day. Okay. Next, sixth one. Simplify 625 into minus 35 plus 625 into 30 using suitable law. So here what is given? 625 into minus 35 plus 625 into 30 using suitable law. Here what is the common here? 625 is the common. So you should take 625 into what is the remaining here? Minus 35 into here plus is then a plus 30. So which law you should use here? Multiplication and the addition. So which law it is? Distributive law. Okay, you can do like that. Next, seventh question, simplify the following using BODMAS rule. So you should using BODMAS rule, you can do the sums, children. 12 minus 36 divided by 3. So which operation you should do first? Division. So 12 minus 36 divided by 3, how much? 12. 12 minus 12, 0 will get. Like that you should do. Okay, ma'am? Write the absolute values of following numbers. Minus 700. What is the absolute value of minus 700, children? What I told absolute value means, absolute values never be negative, only positive number. So minus 700 absolute value is 700. Okay. 150 is 150 only. Minus 150 is 150. Minus 35, 35. Next, fifth one. If P is less than 10, then modulus of P minus 10. How to write? If P is less than 10, I told P is less than 10. Okay. So how can you write the modulus of P minus 10? P is less than 10 means you should write first 10 minus P like this. Okay. What is the modulus value of P minus 10 is 10 minus P. Next, sixth one. If Y is greater than 7, then 7 minus Y. If Y is greater than 7, then absolute value of 7 minus Y is, what is the absolute value of 7 minus Y? Y is greater than 7, no. So what is the absolute value? Y minus 7. Did you understand that? So that is the unit exercise, children. All of you do the unit exercise homework. Those who are taken textbooks, you should do. And those who didn't take the textbooks, I will send the pic to you. You can do the homework. Okay, children? Goodbye.